Are you stuck with the dreaded E11 error on your Epson EcoTank printer? That warning means your waste ink pad and maintenance box have reached the end of their life. But instead of rushing to replace your entire printer, there's a simple, cost-effective fix that gets you back to printing quickly. I recently swapped out the waste ink pad on my Epson EcoTank ET2800 using the Sublimaker replacement kit. What stood out was the convenience of having the reset software built right into the package, no extra downloads or purchases needed. Once connected via USB to a Windows PC, the reset process was straightforward, clearing the error and restoring full printer functionality. This kit fits a range of Epson EcoTank models including ET2800, ET4800, ET2720, ET2803, ET2400, and ET4700. Plus, it includes 2 white waste ink pads, disposable gloves, a double-headed screwdriver, and sealed bags for safe disposal. Everything you need is right there, making the replacement clean and hassle-free. What really matters is that this solution extends your printer's life without compromising quality. The waste ink pads are ISO 9001 certified, ensuring durability and reliable performance. With a high yield of up to 10,000 pages, you get plenty of use before needing another replacement. If you're wondering about compatibility with other Epson models, Sublimaker's customer service is ready to help. They'll confirm if your printer fits the kit, so you can buy with confidence. It's a smart way to avoid costly repairs or premature upgrades. Replacing the waste ink pad and resetting the printer yourself saves time and money. No need to send your printer off or pay for professional service. Plus, the included gloves and sealed bags keep the process clean, protecting you from ink stains or mess. If you're facing the E11 error or just want to maintain your Epson EcoTank printer's health, this Sublimaker waste ink pad replacement is worth a look. It's a straightforward, reliable fix that keeps your printer running smoothly and your printing projects on track. Try it when you're ready to tackle that error message. With everything included and clear instructions, you'll have your printer back in action without the headache. It's a practical investment that pays off in convenience and peace of mind.